In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order clothes from Alibaba. We'll walk through the process from landing on the website to starting your order and entering your shipping details with clear tips along the way so you feel confident buying apparel from a global marketplace. First, open your browser and go to Alibaba.com. You can use a computer or your phone, but a larger screen makes it easier to compare options and read product details. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure before moving forward. Next, find the search bar at the top of the page and click into it. This is where you'll begin narrowing down the huge catalog. Keep in mind that Alibaba serves both individual buyers and businesses, so the results can be very broad. Type clothes into the search field. If you already know what you want, you can be more specific, like men's hoodies or summer dresses, to get better matches. You'll see a variety of products and suppliers. At this stage, it helps to note the price range shown, the minimum order quantity, and whether the listing supports protections like trade assurance. When you see something you like, click the item to open its product page. Take a moment to read the full description, check out all photos, and review sizing information, materials, and any customization notes. Also look at supplier ratings and reviews to gauge reliability, and scan for estimated processing and shipping timelines so your expectations are clear. On the product page, select your size. Because sizing standards can vary by supplier, use the size chart provided and match it to your measurements rather than relying on your usual size. If the chart includes measurements in centimeters, it may help to convert your measurements ahead of time. Now select the quantity you need. Some listings offer price breaks for larger quantities or require a minimum order. Adjust the quantity until it fits your budget and any minimums shown on the page. When you're ready, click Start Order. This begins the checkout process for that item and configuration. You'll typically see a summary of what you selected, and the system may display shipping estimates based on your location. Finally, fill in your shipping address accurately. Enter your full name, street address, city, state or region, postal code, and a reliable delivery contact. Double-check spelling and numbers to avoid delays. As you complete these fields, the platform may update shipping options, costs, and delivery windows so you can review them before proceeding. That's the core process. Go to Alibaba, search, pick your item, choose size and quantity, start the order, and enter your shipping details. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to receive